I used to love running, feeling my feet on the trails, smelling the trees around me. I trusted being alone, going whatever direction I wanted to take. In 2006, I was deployed to Iraq as a military police officer. It was a hard tour. At first, I was assigned to a high-value detainee command in an undisclosed location. It was definitely top secret. We were guarding members of the Ba'ath Party regime, including Saddam Hussein and some of his family members. They committed atrocities, tortured or killed a lot of people. Having to be around them on a daily basis wasn't easy. It really messed with my moral compass. I got to know them on a one-to-one basis, but I still had to watch my back. I couldn't really trust them. I couldn't trust my own people either. I was in a combat zone within my own command daily. I had to withstand things as a female soldier: harassment, retaliation. When I stood up for myself and other women, I was blacklisted and transferred. Even the Inspector General just ignored me. Nobody listened. One day, when I was on a mission escorting Iraqi soldiers back to our compound, we were in a sniper attack. I hit the ground hard, and that caused some physical injuries. A little while later, we got attacked by a mortar. The explosion caused lower back and traumatic brain injury. Fast forward home to the US. When I went into rehab, I was so used to not trusting people. It was hard for me to open up. I felt like I was totally unprotected, just broken. My family and friends recognized I wasn't the same person. I was rewired from everything that happened, trying to piece myself back together to how I was felt impossible. But there was one recreational therapist who helped me get through. I learned to trust her, and that made me see I could step out of my shell. Trying new things, sharing, making change. This is part of my healing. Still, sometimes I try to show I'm okay, when really, it's not okay. I'm always dealing with the TBI and my physical injuries, but the invisible wounds inside me that can't really be seen, they hurt just as much.